How to change a username in Edits app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Edits app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to change the username, in the top right corner, you can see the accounts icon. Tap on it. Next up, select this account option. First thing is, you need to keep in mind that your Edits account is created using the Instagram account. So if you need to change the username of your Edits app, you will have to change the username of your Instagram account. So for that, you can tap on this account status option. It will take you to the Instagram app. Now go back, go to the account section of your Instagram, tap on this edit profile. Now from here, you can see this username option, tap on it. You can change your username over here. Once you are done, you can tap on this tick mark, and that's it. That's how you can easily change username in your Edits app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.